Hello, good morning. Is anybody there?
Good morning,
Okay,
sir.
good morning. Today the topic which you have to cover is how will you reach your goal? Reach your goal. How will you reach your goal? Okay, this is a question and you have to give 100 answer, 100 sentences. Okay, Surajita Roy, can you tell me a few lines? How will you reach your goal? The topic today is how will you reach your goal? Surajita Roy, could you please tell us something about it? The question.
Firstly, for
How?
reaching to my goal, I have to know everything about it, and then I have to prepare myself mm, for having my goal. Now I am reading in class 8, but I want to be a doctor, so I have to give NEET exam. So from now, I have to prepare myself for that exam and give many tests and study well for that.
Okay. Can you just write?
It's tough.
Can you just write sequence wise that how will you reach your goal? And at least 5 to 10 points, major
Okay,
points.
sir. Hmm.
Hmm. Write it and save when you complete your writing. Okay. Mr. Deros. Sanida Ghosh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me how will you reach your goal? 10 points.
Yes, sir.
Speak out 10 points.
I study on fashion designing. I act
I study on no
after
no no no.
12.
I study on fashion designing. What is that? I study fashion designing. I study
I
on
study.
fashion. What is the meaning in Bengali? Can you explain? I study on fashion designing. Tell me the sentence translated into Bengali. If translated into Bengali, tell me what is the meaning of this sentence. I study on fashion designing.
I want to study fashion designing.
Okay. Next.
After yes, sir.
Yes, you tell. You continue.
After 12 class, I want to admitted
No, no, your
at NIT
mistake is repeated.
college.
No, no, no. After 12 class means what? After class 12.
After
12
class
class,
12,
4 class. Oh, no, 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 no. In which class are you studying? 4 class or class 4? You are studying in 4 class or class 4? Hello?
class 4.
Hmm. So 12 class? No. Class 12. Next.
After class 12, I want to admit at NIFT college.
What is the meaning of the word admit? I want to admit.
I want to
What is the
admit
Yes. What is the meaning of the word admit? What is the meaning of the word admit? ADMIT. ADMIT admit. What is the meaning of the word admit? I'm asking you. Could you please explain?
ভর্তি হওয়া
Hmm. Hmm. I want to admit. So what is the meaning of the sentence? I want to admit.
আমি ভর্তি হতে চাই।
Okay. Then
At Nift College.
I want to admit at NIFT College. Oh my God. Hmm. I want to get admission into NIFT College. I want to be admitted into NIFT College, like that.
I want to be admitted into Nift College.
Yes.
I want. Uh, I shall sit for an entrance examination. I shall have to score minimum 80 marks.
Where?
I shall enter.
No, no. You will have to score minimum 80 marks. Where? Where will you have to score that marks?
In this examination.
What are the? Have you told about the examinations?
Yes, entrance examination.
Okay. What are the names
It
of
is
the entrance
for
examinations? What are the names of the examinations? Hello?
CAT,
What are the
and SAT.
okay, full form of the examinations, each one?
CAT, Creative Ability Test. GAT,
Get?
General Ability Test.
Next.
SAT, Situation Ability Test.
What?
SAT, Situation Ability Test.
Okay. Next, carry
It
on.
is it is a year 4 year course. I fell
Okay.
into with my study so that my experience will be increased.
So that is a wrong sentence. I'll get more experience.
I will get more experience.
Yes, that is the correct form of sentence. Next, but I cannot get my
I
answer,
shall,
right? What is the
I
answer?
shall,
No, no, my question was how will you reach your goal? But you have not said anything about these points on this topic. Okay, that is good what you have said. But my question is how will you reach your goal? Reach means to reach at. Though that is the system, there is exam, that is I have to study. But how will you do that? Could you get my point? Okay, you get 5 minutes of time to take down your notes. 5 minutes of time. Each one of you tell me 10 points. Every one of you will get 5 minutes of time to write 10 points, short points, right? So that you can explain me. So that you can explain on this topic how will you reach your goal. You may write it into Bengali also, but you have to make me convince. You have to convince me, make me understand so that I can understand. Yes, this is right. You have to convince me. 5 minutes of your time you can get. Write on your notebook and I'll come back after 5 minutes and ask any one of you.